Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Basecamp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you assign a task to someone in your Basecamp project? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to assign a task to your coworker in Basecamp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business managing a lot of different projects or teams, sometimes tasks are not going to get done unless you assign it to a specific person. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to assign a task to one of your coworkers, first you have to find the project. So click right here on View All Projects in a List. Once you do that, scroll down to the project you want to assign a task to someone. So for example, this one right here. Once you do that, you want to click into this box, To-Dos. Once you do that, you're going to see all the different tasks that are set up for that particular project. And then you want to just hover over the task that you want to assign. So for example, this one right here, Create Guest List. When you hover over the task, you're going to see Assign and Schedule. Click on there. All right, once you do that, you can go ahead and look for this box, Assign To, and then you're going to go ahead and start typing in the name of the person you want to assign this to. Once you type in their name, it's going to pop up right here, and just click on that. And then you're going to go ahead and save changes. Quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see this task is assigned to this person. And that way, depending on their notification settings, they're going to receive a notification that they have been assigned a task. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to assign a task to your Basecamp project coworker, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.